Hi, Melody. Looking at your piece, I really like your unusual take on it. I've taught this class for a while and I've never seen a layout in this manner. It's inspiring. So I had a couple suggestions. I would delete out some of the repeated apples in the center because you don't see them, and when you rescale, it takes the piece a second to redraw it. You see that? Here, let me go up again. It's not going to matter if it just lives as a JPEG somewhere, but I don't know. It's just something to consider. It'll help the download and everything. Just so select a bunch of them and just delete them since you don't see them anyway. I like this idea. It's a beautiful idea, but the space between the words is just a little too even. So as a designer, I would get in there and I would hand kern so that each word had equal spacing between every letter and that there was enough space in between each one so that you could easily read it. So where it gets kind of spaced unevenly is for, F-O-R. You can see the spacing between those letters looks wider than, oh, I don't know, much. And it's just the optical illusion because you've got the space between the I and the have. But I would make for a little tighter. I would probably continue to work on picking. And it's very fussy. I don't know if you're a graphic design student, but if you are, typography is everything when an art director is looking at your portfolio. So you want to get that just right. Consider too, because this is a big fat font, of reducing the size. And that'll make the spacing between each word stronger. And the reason for that is you're going to be able to read that at just about any size. So you just want to give it a little air. It's so close to the top, it's just sort of a tight read. I don't know if that makes sense. Otherwise, I found this apple to be beautiful. Would like to see more of a text wrap around the apple though. And that might cause some layout issues for you if you do that. But you can make the size, honestly, as big as you want. But I think to sort of echo the circle, it would be nice to see a nice rounded off area of the apple. All right, those are my only thoughts. I thought this was real creative. Let me know if you have any questions.